Morning everybody, welcome to day 62 of lockdown. It's part 1 again of a new episode, and it's blustery again today. Just seen there's another tree come down in the woods, completely snapped off, and yeah, as you can see by my hair, it's another gusty one. Well, I'm in the field. I've just been to collect the camera from last night, which I placed overlooking the large fallen log. Seems such a long time ago now that we last placed it there. But yeah, I put it there last night, but all the bait was still there. So that's like the far end of the wood near to where I live, so I just don't know whether the foxes are getting out that far at the moment. So we might have to move further back in to the woods, more towards this field that I'm in now for tonight's placement. Right, well, we're just at the owl tree just to see if they're about today, because I didn't see them last night when I came out for a walk. So we'll just have a look and I'll bring you back. Well, no sign of them again. It does make you wonder if the youngsters are now flying, or able to fly, but that's it. They may have flown the nest completely now, and that could be the last we've seen of them, which is a shame, but it was good while it lasted. Right, we'll carry on through the fields and back through the woods, and might cut the walk short this morning because I'm a bit tired this morning. Although I said I'm going to go to uploading a video every other day, I'm still getting out in the evening and getting up early in the morning. So my sleep pattern hasn't really changed. It's just the I'm not going to call it pressure, because it's not pressure, but the added pressure of producing a video a day, that has helped. I don't feel as rushed, shall we say. So yesterday I went back out into the other woods near to my apartment, because I wanted to get some better footage of the greater spotted woodpecker. I wasn't really happy with the footage I showed you the other day. It was in the evening when I took that footage and it was a bit dark, so I went out yesterday afternoon and I captured the woodpecker in better light. Good morning everybody, and welcome to another episode. It's part 2 and it's day 63 of lockdown. Right, shall we start with the elephant in the room? Yesterday I took on the biggest challenge that I've ever had to endure. And yes, that was cutting my own hair. With the assistance of my daughter, I managed to hack the mop from my head, and I've ended up with this. I'm not going to lie, it was absolutely frightening doing that. I never want to go through that again. but it's not turned out too bad, I suppose. Could be better, who cares. Yeah, so welcome to another episode. It's another lovely fresh morning, complete contrast to yesterday morning. There's no wind at all, it's really still. Sun's coming up, it's dew on the grass. I've just collected the camera, bait was still there again. I placed it on the log again just to try it, because although I didn't think so at the time, the fox did appear and seemed very nervous of the camera. So yeah, I thought I'd try it again last night, and I've not checked the camera. I have checked the camera. There's 4 clips on there. One of them is going to be me collecting the camera, and another one's probably going to be me placing the camera. So there might well be just 2 clips, but there's still no guarantee there's anything on there. But we'll check that when we get back. Right, okay, we're going to go around the fields now and do the usual checks and see what else we can bring you today. Well, I'm pleased to say, Ian, that your competition prize has finally arrived, and I'll be sending that out in the post this morning. You are now the proud owner of a very exclusive Jester Bushcraft mug. Currently there's only one available in the whole world, so yeah, very exclusive. If anybody else would like an exclusive Jester Bushcraft mug, then I'm currently running an offer where you can get 10% off anything in the Jester Bushcraft store. The offer ends at the end of May, so you've not got too long, but yeah, use that discount code that's on the screen, and you can use that on anything that's that you see in the Jester Bushcraft store. Like I say, I'll put a link down in the description so you can go and have a look at that. Yeah, no sign of the owls again this morning. I think we've seen the last of those now, definitely the youngsters. But yeah, I enjoyed watching those over the last 3 or 4 days. But we'll just have to find something else to follow now, won't we? Right, let's crack on. So I hope you enjoyed that episode, albeit a little bit sparse of animal activity. But if you did enjoy that, then give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is up here, or the one down below. Leave a comment as always, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next one. Okay, well thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.